Hi, everyone. I can't begin to put into words or explain how much I miss you guys. For me, eighth grade is a huge deal. It's some of the last, and it just makes me sad that we can't share that together. But we're all learning something from this, and I am very confident in each one of you that we're going to remain awesome. You are awesome. Keep your head up, okay? It's like saying goodbye, but I'm horrible with goodbyes, and it's never goodbye for me. It's always see you later. And the awesome thing for you guys is that you will honestly just be down the hall and not across the tracks anymore or down the street. I will still be in the middle school part of the new building, and I hope I see you next fall. I hope I see you in a few weeks. That's my intent because I've got awesome things planned for us, and that's what I'm saying moving forward. My intent today was not to be sappy or sad, but to move forward with our education. So I'm just taking a quick moment to go through my lesson plan for the week with some opera in the background. My Natalie is preparing for her finals, so I apologize. I hope you can hear me clear. We are fighting for places to work together in our house. So our essential question this week is, why do some objects require more force to move than others? So we are moving away from our synthetic material conversations that we were having before we left, before break, and moving into changes in force and motion, and giving you some background on potential and eventually kinetic energy into next week. So we're going to be using STEMscopedia still. So hopefully you remember how to get into STEMscopedia. And if you don't, just email me and I can jump on with a quick video tutorial on how to do that if you guys have forgot. So read your STEMscopedia. That's there. I've also, I jumped too far. I also created the link for that. So it's there. All of these resources that I've put here are for you guys to use to answer the essential question. And I just posted that question, the correct question, into Classroom. I'm sorry. I put sixth grade's essential question in eighth grade. So I caught it. I'm still me. I'm still goofy, crazy Mrs. Keenan doing silly things. So I have a lab for you guys to conduct. Get a game of tug of war with a sibling, parents, somebody at home. And that is an awesome relationship to changes in force and the motion. Who wins? So that one is a link. You will only find that here. You click on it, and that tells you what to do. And then a few questions to ponder after you're done. Those, again, this is just information to help support your answer to why do some objects require more force to be moved. And then what I did is I gave you a PhET simulation. This is an awesome website. You'll be using this if you take physical science as a sophomore. Mr. Fuller uses PhET. It's an excellent resource to give you some force and motion basics. And then this video that I found, it is in STEMscopes. So if I go over here, I believe it's the Science Today Watch It. If not, I'll find it. Yes. So you can see on my screen, this parkour, it's called parkour. It literally exists out there where people do like a combination of gymnastics and stunting. And it's a fun video. I hope that you watch it. They're like jumping off of staircases, out of like parking garages, and all kinds of fun and crazy things. That's all I have today. It's so great to get an opportunity to find a source to record my voice. You can see my face. To record a video. And just know that you guys, I'm thinking about you. And I really miss you. And we're moving forward, as in I will see you in 2 weeks. Have a great day. Have a great week. And like I always tell you, make it a good day. Bye.